Yo, so guys, Razzie, and welcome back to another new video on my YouTube channel. So yes, I know it has been a while since I uploaded my last video, but today we'll be coming back with my newest purchase of the Adidas Predator Elite Laceless versions in its FG variation. So I'm not going to be talking too much about the shoe yet, which I'll be explaining a bit more later. And let's get to the unboxing part of the video. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
So Adidas have released the Predator line in 3 different variations. The first variation being the lace version, the second one being the laceless, and the third being the FTs, aka fold over tongues. So Adidas released the Predator line to celebrate the 30th anniversary of the release of the famous shoe line of Adidas Predators. So the shoe that I have right here is the Adidas Predator Elite Laced version, so in the solar red colorway, which is part of the initial release colorway for the shoe in 2024, coming out of the previous introduction of its predecessors, the Adidas Predator Accuracies. Although this is a laced version of the shoe, I do find the similarities with the other variations of the line as well, which include the laceless and the fold over tongues. The shoe does have a hybrid touch 2.0, synthetic upper with strike skin elements around most parts of the shoe, with rubber placed in striking hot zones designed to improve touch and strike of the ball. I'm not sure if you can hear the rubber rubbing sounds through the mic, but I've actually tried out the shoe once already, and I would say that it not only looks pretty good on the shoe, but also does actually feel like there's a bit of an assistance when striking around the ball. The shoe also does have a Control Frame 2.0 firm ground outsole, which features the classic stud pattern used by Adidas throughout many other models as well, which includes 4 studs at the back and 7 studs at the front forefoot. Adidas also released the Predators with the Elite version with a prime neck collar for better fit and around the ankle area, with an adjustable tongue for better fit around the foot. The shoe also does have a yellow Predator insole and cushioned heel tab for improved aesthetic looks of the shoe as well. So the price that I bought this shoe was at 1,100 HKD, which is around £110 because this shoe was on discount when I picked it up. The retail price of the Predator Elite Lace versions are normally at around £200, which is around like a 2,000 HKD. So if you want to cop one, I would recommend you to wait a while and then purchase these shoes because they'll eventually go on discount. The fit of the shoe is also quite surprisingly narrow around the forefoot area. So if you're ever trying to find a narrow control boot, then the Predators are definitely for you. So that is it for the video today of the unboxing of the Adidas Predator Elite Laced version in the FG variation. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to click the like button, subscribe, comment, and share to every single person that you know, which will be highly appreciated because it will definitely help the support of the growth of this channel. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to do all that I suggested just now. And yeah, that's it for me today. See you.